Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are thinking of or you are dealing with. So please feel free to pick your sides and swap the characters according to your situation, and as they are all general readings, so they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. In that situation you can check your moon sign and the name sign. And yeah, for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Librans. Your energies, Four of Swords. Your person's Six of Pentacles. The mutual energy or the outcome, the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. So Librans, there's a lot of healing going on over here. There is a situation on which you have sort of you're giving it time. That's what I feel. There has been something there in this relationship or in the past in your life, whatever it is, but the thing is that you are giving it that much of time. You are healing yourself, you are giving time to yourself basically over here. You are not taking any action. There is not much action which is being taken, but the only thing which is going on here is which is just sort of, it is just surrender to the situation, just let's see what happens sort of a thing. And you just want to, there is something which has happened which you want to come out of, sort of. It's talking about healing basically. Now this healing can be in this situation or a general healing of your own mindset, of your own life, whatever there was. So it is a general energy which is coming out as Four of Swords, which means that there is a lot of healing going on in this situation. Okay, so you're giving time to yourself to heal. Okay, and which is a very, very beautiful thing to do. And here on your person's sides with the Six of Pentacles, this person is trying to balance the situation, trying to balance the situation in some way. Okay, so this person has sort of it's just that, yeah. So according to this, what I feel is both of you are working on yourself, sort of. And here also with the Nine of Pentacles, it's all alone. So I don't see there is much of action which is being taken over here in this situation. It is only that both of you, it's again, no, Nine of Pentacles is like taking your time alone, spending time alone, rejuvenating yourself, enjoying your own abundances, focusing on yourself. Basically it's also talking about healing. Okay, so what I feel here is, as the outcome here or the mutual energy is that here also this person is also trying to balance, you are also trying to heal, and the outcome here is the Nine of Pentacles. So again, it's all about both singlehood, celebrating your singlehood, sort of. Okay, so both of you are not dealing with each other much, but you are giving yourself the time. That's what it is. You're just focusing on yourself, both of you, trying to balance. You are healing yourself. This person is also trying to balance the situation in whatever way this person can, and it is all about healing, rejuvenation. That's all. Let's see what's there behind the Four of Swords. On your side, let's see. Three of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the Two of Swords. Again, same thing. You are healing. You are not taking any action over here definitely. And with the Three of Wands, you are waiting for something, trying to perhaps either have a clearer perspective of the situation, waiting for your ships to come in, whatever it is, but you are waiting for something definitely, or waiting for the takeoff. But definitely you are on the brink of a journey, just waiting for the right opportunity or the right time. But you, with the Two of Swords, the thing is that and with the Queen of Wands, you are very intuitive, trying to you are trying to find, you are very, very guarded, you are very closed off, basically detached, closed off, spending time alone, totally. You're just, the thing is that you are trying to find answers of something. That's what I'm getting. trying to sort out something, being on your own. But the thing is, don't ignore the details. What I feel is that in this situation, there is something which you are either overlooking, or even if you know, you don't want to acknowledge it. You just don't want to see something. That's what. Ignoring it willfully, or you really don't know it. You are not seeing it, or you don't want to see it. Whatever it is, but there is something, and you are very, very closed off. You don't want anybody to disturb you, don't want anybody to come and tell anything to you. You want to be on your own and trying to find answers of something, and perhaps that is what you are waiting for. Maybe you think your inner voice will give you the right answer when to make a move, because you are at a brink of a journey. You are ready to make a move. You are just ready. You're just waiting for your ships to come in. So you are ready for a journey. You are ready to make a move. So I think a lot of healing is going on over here. You are very, very closed off and guarded, but deep in touch with your intuition. Definitely, and guarded and guarded and guarded is the word which is again and again highlighting in every card. But the thing is, you are ready to make a move. That is the only thing. You are ready to make a move. You are planning to make a move at least. But I think it is something more than planning, because you are ready to move over here. Just waiting for something. What is that something that you are giving time to your intuition or your inner voice to tell you when will be the right time, perhaps, to make a move? It can be that. Now here, let me see on your partner's side or the person you are thinking of. Ten of Wands, the Temperance, and the Ace of Swords. Okay, wow. So this person is trying to unburden. Again, that's what I said. This person is trying to balance a situation, who's in whatever way it is. This person is trying to balance a situation outside with you or within themselves in their own life, whatever it is. This person is, and here with the Temperance also, it's a major arcana. So some sort of balancing is definitely being done by this person on a major way. They are balancing the situation within them, outside them, in this relationship perhaps, or in their own life, whatever it is. But this person, a lot of balancing is going on, and it is a beautiful thing. This person is unburdening themselves, trying to sort things out, balancing them. And with the Ace of Swords, this is a beautiful new beginning over here. Okay, so there is a new, this sort of, they have the clarity. Okay, so this person on your partner is trying to sort things out, balancing, unburdening themselves, balancing the situation in this scenario also, and there is a new beginning over here. They have the clarity of thought as to now how am I supposed to move forward. That this is something which is pointing out to a new beginning on your partner's side. It can be you, this one can be them, whatever. Now let's see in the mutual or the outcome with the Nine of Pentacles. Why is Nine of Pentacles here for? Okay, let's see. Why is Nine of Pentacles here for? With the Tower, oh my god. The Tower, the King of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. So in the mutual energy, what I feel is there has been something which has really shaken up both of you. So what I feel here is that there has been something in this relationship which has a mutual effect, and this Tower has shaken up your sort of whatever both of you thought. It's not only you, it has troubled the other person. It's come out in the mutual energy or in the outcome, whatever it is. Basically the thing here is that it has shattered whatever you thought, your expectations, your whatever you thought, they have been shattered in some way, shape or form. It is something there has been a disruption of your belief. Okay, so something has happened definitely, and that is why this healing and this guarded thing is going on. and the other person is also trying to sort things out, and they're also burdened, feeling burdened, trying to unburden themselves and to balance this situation. It is because of something which has happened over here. But with the King of Cups and with the Queen of Swords, what I feel here is you are dealing with your equal counterpart, with the King and the Queen over here. But the thing is that you are, it can be you, it can be them. It is in the mutual energy, and these cards are not gender specific. But the overall energy which I'm getting here is that emotions are there. A lot of emotions are there which are causing emotional turbulence also inside. But the thing is that you are, both of you are being very very emotionally mature, not showing their emotions, showing, you're just showing as if the emotions are under your control. And I'm saying showing because over here this is a thing which you're trying to keep the other person at a distance. Okay, you are trying to show that you are not sort of not interested, a detached and a cold behavior is being shown because of this tower. Okay, because of something which has happened, which you are, both of you are working on with the Nine of Pentacles, which came out as a mutual energy. So both of you are healing yourself from this situation. This person is also trying to balance and is also carrying the burden. Okay, this person is also very very burdened. This person is also trying to balance this situation in some way. Okay, and this is because of the tower which has affected both of you. Okay, and both of you are trying to take control of the emotions, and you are not showing it. Both of you are trying to show that there are no emotions and being very very guarded and detached and showing that coldness towards each other as far as the relationship is concerned. Though there are emotions, there is a lot of emotional turbulence deep inside, but nobody is showing it. You're showing it as a detached and a cold thing, as if there is nothing going on, though there's lots going on within, on both the sides. There's a lot going on within on both the sides. But letting your emotions, you're just controlling your own things, controlling your stuff, controlling your what you have to say, controlling not to show your emotions, basically. So Libras, I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.